Welcome back. You can go to your favorite search engine and you can use the search term document sharing sites SEO to find other sites where you can upload content in order to draw attention to your brand as well as your content. Now, the benefits of these sites are going to change over time. The list of them will depend on the organization putting together the list. However, by looking at several different lists, you will then begin to develop a list of sites that you can use in order to upload content, again, to direct back to your blog. Now, the way to think about these sites is that you want to use those that will not require additional work outside of your brand in order for you to post new content to the sites. As much as possible, you want to be time effective and brand consistent in your additional posting to these particular sites. For example, one document sharing site that you can use is called Slideshare. And Slideshare is for slide or presentation based content in order to upload and share using this site. What you'll need is an account on the site. And Slideshare works like many document sharing sites. You're going to need to create an account and you're going to use that account in order to share your content. Once you have your account, you can then go to the upload area. You can then select your documents to upload, which you can upload from your hard drive or from your cloud-based drives. We will go through the CAPTCHA, and what you'll basically have here is you'll have a place where you can write in your description for the individual project. And obviously what you want to do is to write your description using keywords and tags that will help you to be discovered. You can choose to make your document public, limited, or private, which is again specifically to SlideShare, although other document sharing sites have similar features. When you are ready to publish your content, you can then click Publish. And your document then has a URL that you can share just as you would another blog post. So you want to use your document sharing sites with alternative forms of the content that you are using on your blog. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.